problem that we were trying to solve at Nestlé, as it relates to e-business or the internet, was truly to consolidate many of the fragmented applications and website developments that had grown from the natural spontaneity of internet development. And what we looked to do was to standardize to make our internet and our e-business platform much more stable, reliable, and robust.
We compare Unix and Microsoft, and we end up choosing Microsoft platform. The first advantage was an issue of integration. With Unix, you have to choose all kinds of different tools that work or doesn't work together. And with the Windows platform, we were able to select the whole Microsoft suite of products in the Windows 2000 .NET architecture, and everything fit together, and the cost of integration, which is generally the highest cost for developing and putting those solutions together, was drastically reduced.
When you're standardized, you obviously have a lower total cost of ownership.
We have currently 350 websites worldwide, and we have a plan to migrate all of them into the common Microsoft environment. Having all those websites onto a common platform will help us manage a few things very easily. The first one is security. Right now we use hundreds of different hosters, and we have no real way to find if the security is according to Nestlé standards. Second point is manageability. We'll be able, with the Microsoft environment, to manage the uptime of those servers in a much better way than before. And then thirdly, we'll also run common statistics to make sure that we can compare the efficiency of websites worldwide. The rollout to get to the architecture definition was pretty quick. It's about a month. Developers are using components from this toolbox. We are able to develop websites in a few weeks, where before it was taking a few months.
We have developed in-house an internet resource framework for Nestlé, and it really is based on the architecture directions that .NET is doing. We started it before .NET, and so we plan on blending that in with the .NET platform.
We installed the operating system and the database using the different Windows 2000 tools and SQL 2000 and Microsoft Commerce Server 2000. And we deploy all these tools, and then we build on top of that different components to address different needs that are common across all those websites. These components are ASP piece of code that we are developing that are using common backend tools like Commerce Server, so everybody can develop the same in a similar fashion. Before launching the whole project, we did a short study on the return on investment to go with a common Microsoft environment, and we found out that basically we have a 6 months return on investment by moving and migrating all the websites currently in different locations into a common environment. We can share a lot of information across those websites and provide information to consumers.
I think that Microsoft has really come a long way towards developing tool sets that make the implementation of their platforms much simpler for the enterprise customer. And that was a great turnaround from where we saw Microsoft and their tool sets in years past.
The account management team that has been put in place in the last years have shown that Microsoft has definitely changed from a box-moving company into an enterprise-focused company. And for a large corporation like Nestlé, it's very key that we know we can rely on Microsoft salespeople, accounting team, and Microsoft Consulting to help us deploy the Microsoft platform environment.
For me, the excitement is in the business challenge and the business opportunity, and the technology I expect to be there. And that's what we expect from our strategic partners like Microsoft. You make the technology and the infrastructure work so I can apply it to my business.